how to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. So, if you think there's some hidden information on one of the items that you want to buy, then there are some ways you can get extra info, or basically, as you said, hidden information from the product. So, the first thing is, of course, you could go to your actual item, just go into your seller and ask for that information. If that's not possible, then you could try copy pasting your item or thing you chose to a browser. So just go ahead. So just go ahead and copy paste the product by pressing on share and then going for the copy link button. Once you've done that, just go ahead and paste it in your browser like this. So you will need the Chrome app on your Android, but pretty much whatever works for you. And if there was hidden information for the product, you should be able to see it now from the browser that you opened it with. So again, just go ahead and go to your marketplace link that you copied, and all you need to do is tap and hold on the address bar in Chrome, then paste, of course, to paste it. Tap go on the arrow on your screen keyboard to go to the listing, which in our case is this one, and it should give us the hidden information if there were any. But that's pretty much one of the only options you have in this case. If you're doing this in your browser in a different device, the process should be quite similar. But that is how you can see the information on Facebook Marketplace. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.